Hey there guys, DARTH Gaming here. Late night unboxing video. I just went to Target today and picked up Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2. Just a standard copy. I was gonna get the Target exclusive, but then I looked into it and it was only really like some digital code or something. I was like, that's not worth like $3-4 more, whatever it was. I was gonna get the Best Buy exclusive steelbook, but I couldn't find it. I was thinking maybe I should go out tomorrow and look for it, drive around, see if I can find it. Can't find it anywhere, so I was just like, oh well, I got what I got. So let's unbox it. I really like the cover though. It's got like a nice feel to it. I actually have not seen this movie yet. So if anyone has seen this movie, I'm gonna watch it hopefully tomorrow. So the day after this video comes out. Is there any knife object? Anything? They've actually sealed this very well. Surprisingly. Okay, there you go. That. Okay. Movie, and then you got this, just a very standard thing, and then we got the digital code, which will be nice because watch on the go. I might actually start at school now. So guys, I'm gonna do like a little movie review. If you guys can't get your hands on, this is about the only edition I'd get. If you can't get your hands on and snag a Best Buy exclusive steelbook, definitely do it. So, but we got the digital movie code, and then on the back, I'll let you guys have a sneak peek of that. I'll give you guys a front view. On the side, I think it's the same on both sides. Tons of bonus, exclusive new music video, David Hasselhoff and special guests. Really excited to watch this. Got my digital code. Okay guys, subscribe for more content. Links description down below. DARTH Gaming, sign off. I'll see you guys later.